Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will do a removal from dip powder. The nails that you are seeing, I've used dip powder. I have them for 2-3 weeks. I will link the video in the description below if you want to see how I did this set. We'll use the gel builder to refill the nails. If you like my channel, please follow, subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see any other videos. I'm using the carbide bead to remove dip powder. I like for dip powder to use this bead because it's a little bit stronger, the powder. Dip powder is a combination of acrylic and gel. So this bead at 30,000 RPM is helping me to remove it faster. The movements for removing dip powder are different from using on your own nails than using on another hand or on another person, I mean. And I find it easier to remove on my non-dominant hand. I think for everyone is like this. Now on this middle finger, I have to rebuild the nail, and we'll see in this video as well how can we adjust a nail, just to touch it up, because there is a gap there. I will show you later on in the video. So after removing this dip powder, and you can see that is removing pretty fast, I do it only on 2 nails on camera. I'm using the sanding bit, 150 grit on 17,000 RPM speed. And I use it to smooth the nail, to take out any lifting, and to prepare it for refill. The nails, they don't have too much lifting, I mean almost none, but this bit is helping me also to remove the dead skin around the eponychium. The cuticle bit that I like to use is a conic one, diamond bit. This one is my favorite one because my cuticles are a little bit sensitive and not that long and not that easy to be removed. So this cuticle bit, it will just remove the cuticles from the nail and make it easier for me to go with the scissor and cut them. For cuticle, I'm using the reverse motion on drill machine. When I'm removing from gel polish, or I'm removing dip powder, I use the forward version. This is for my left hand. I find it easier using it for cuticles in reverse motion. If you like to see as well the videos that I've posted for Modelones hauls and Born Pretty hauls, you can find them in playlist reviews. And you will see on my channel some new videos coming. If you want to follow my channel, I have some new techniques that I've been seeing in the past year, and I want to test them out, and we'll do different things on my channel. I have new things coming this year, let's say like this. I'm using the cuticle scissor. This one is from Stalex. You know that I'm using Stalex in all my videos, scissor or cuticle nipper. I like them a lot, and very easy to use and long lasting. It's important to prior trimming the cuticles, is important to lift them up from the nail. So that's why we are using the drill bit before. This step can be done as well with the cuticle pusher, but I find it easier with the drill machine. Now is as per your preference and how it is easy for you. There are multiple methods that you can use in nails, and you should use the one that is resonating with you. A little blood came out because there was a very interesting scene in the movie, for sure. On this finger and on the small one, on the pinky, many times I get blood on that part. I think as well on pointer. You can see that my cuticles and my eponychium is very sensitive. That area is very sensitive. You can see that is turning red very easily. I shouldn't cut that much the cuticles, but I really don't like them because during manicures they are getting very dry. So I don't like them that much. And this is my own way to do it. I'm removing dust and any blood or particles coming there. So I'm removing it with isopropyl alcohol. And now my nails are ready for refill. I'm adding one layer of Born Pretty primer and bond. And one layer of base coat. Base coat, I'm curing it for 30 seconds under LED lamp. Now I will use the builder gel. This builder gel is a natural color. You can see it's not clear, it's not white, it's not milky white, it's kind of natural, it's blending in the nail. And I like this builder gel. It's spreading easily. It's more like the same texture with the rubber-based gel, if you ever used it. And it's giving a little bit of strength to nail. It's best to use builder gel, or this type of builder gel that is softer is best to use on natural nail if you are having them long enough, or on acryl gel extension. After I'm comfortable with the apex, there is no apex in these short nails, and I don't like to do a bulky nail, a bulky apex or something. So after I'm comfortable and I see that is all over the nail, the builder gel, I'm adding it in the lamp for 30 seconds or 60 seconds. Now this is the moment that I was talking about, the middle finger, where we can correct if there is any missing part of nail part, okay? I add a little bit of acryl gel and I'm just blending it into nail. I don't need a form, I don't need a support for this retouch. After I'm comfortable with the amount of acryl gel, I will cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. And that was all on the middle finger that we had to do for redoing the nail, just filling that gap. Continuing with the builder gel for the other nails. there is a difference. If you can see, there is a difference in color, but you do not see it that much because this is just a refill. So in my previous videos I've used this type of gel builder. The color now is blending in, and that was the refill. It's a very quick refill. You can do it anytime, and I encourage to do refills than to remove the whole nail and to add a new set every 2-3 weeks. I encourage to do at least 3, 4, 5 times refill every 2-3 weeks, and to let the same nail set for 3 months, for 4 months. It is much healthier for your nails than to remove it all. On the moment of removal, when you are removing a new set, it will dry your natural nail. Keep drying your natural nail. It will not heal that fast. It will not grow that fast. That was all for this video. I will see you in my next video, and please comment down below if you want to see anything else on my channel. Thank you, and I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye.